Hey guys, Future Editor here. I'm sorry to inform you that my iMac has stopped responding and Apple support has not fixed it yet. This video has been delayed and the editing from here on will be quite minimal as I'm editing on my MacBook Pro with DaVinci Resolve 17.1 beta. So yeah. Hey guys. So today we are actually reviewing the Beats Flex. I know I've already made an overview talking about it, but today we're actually going to be holding and testing the product. So should you actually buy this? Beats Flex is basically like AirPods with the W1 chip, but Beats Flex is only $50. Is it any good? We'll see. So Beats Flex, it currently costs $50 in the United States or $70 here in Canada. Beats Flex are all-day wireless earphones as Apple claims, and it does, in fact, last 12 hours. I've been using it for the last 4 days, and yeah, it sounds amazing. And the battery life, oh my gosh, it's unparalleled. And even with that good of a battery life, it also features fast fuel, which gives you 1.5 hours of playback just from charging for 10 minutes. I had to charge it once during the last 4 days, so I really appreciate the fast fuel. Because when I went for a run, I looked at my Beats Flex and it was at like 5%. So I just plugged it in for around 5 minutes and I basically got the power for my half-an-hour run. And because it features the W1 chip, it allows you to automatically choose and connect to your different Apple devices. You can just put it close to your phone or iPad and it just pops up on your screen. And also you can use the audio sharing feature on iPhone because again, it uses the W1 chip. So basically when the two earbuds are connected, the media automatically pauses. And when they're not connected, it automatically plays, which is actually so smart because instead of having the sensors like in the AirPods, which would make it so much more expensive, this just sees if the magnets are connected. If they are, well then it's going to pause the music or video because of course you're not listening when they're connected, when they're put together. But when you take them apart and actually wear them, it plays. It also delivers such great sound because it has accurate bass and low distortion, even at max volume. It comes with 4 of the ear tips. I am currently using the weird one with like the double thing. I don't know, I just thought it looked cool and it kind of fits my ears too, so that's why I chose this. It has a microphone here, which is under my collar because that's where I usually put it. And when you're wearing the earbuds, you can actually hear your voice through the microphone and it makes it sound like AirPods and it makes it sound like there's no seal, which is great, but it actually has one. And that seal gets actually sealed up when you're listening to media, so you can be fully immersed in your sounds. The cable itself is also great. It doesn't slip from side to side if you're only wearing one, unlike a few other cheaper alternatives. And finally, it charges with USB-C, which I think is the most important part of this whole thing. So yeah, it's like Beats X, except it's better in every way. It's cheaper, it sounds better, has better battery life, and the charging method is better. So if you're looking for Beats X, get this one. And if you're looking for AirPods, I think you should really heavily consider this as well. Sure, it's not truly wireless because there are indeed a wire between the two, but it's still great if you can overlook that feature. A few downsides I have to say about this is that currently only 2 colors are available, black and yellow. I wanted to get the white one, but that will be available next year, along with the blue one. So that is kind of unfortunate. Also, more colorways are coming next year as well. So if you want other different colors, you have to wait until 2021. The mic quality on this is very good. So it's great for video calls, video conferences, and just wearing around the day since it, again, lasts 12 hours. The USB-C cable is very short though, so just keep that in mind. Overall, I want to keep this review very short, but this has been my experiences with it, and it has been absolutely phenomenal. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And yeah, I would 100% recommend Beats Flex to anyone looking for AirPods or anyone in the market of wireless earbuds. I'm sure this will be a great product for years to come. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you liked it, please like, and if you really liked it, why not subscribe? Click on one of the videos shown on screen right now, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. What's this? Pew pew pew, pew pew, click, 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 pew pew pew. Just click on one of the videos. Come on, why are you still here?